I'm going to show you that to be in French is much more regular and easier than you think. To be in French is based on two sounds, the sound of the S and E. Tu es, elle est, il est, on est. So you'll see in French the sound E is often created by an E and you add something like an accent or a letter. Here it's S and ST, but you don't pronounce these S and T. These S and T are just here to change the sound of the E into E. And we even have vous êtes. So for this one, it's not exactly E, but E, et, vous êtes. Now let's talk about the sound of the S. Je suis, ils sont, elles sont. So here, what we have is a sandwich of S sounds. Suis at the top, sont at the bottom. For suis, you can think of, or you may know, the quote by French philosopher Descartes, Je pense, donc je suis. I think, therefore I am. That's this one. And for son, the ONT with a silent T is a classic in French. You'll find it in many other verbs like to have, to go, the future tense, and in many other occasions. Now I quickly mention the very formal oui, nous sommes, which is completely irregular and not used that much in French. So what should you remember? The sound E is in a sandwich of S sounds. And thanks to this little trick, you'll be able to unwind the thread of to be in French.